Please rotate your phone. Open Lightroom. Don't skip this video. Add photo gallery. Please subscribe my channel. Open color mix. Adjust yellow color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust green color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust violet color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Adjust blue color. Adjust hue. Adjust saturation. Click to done. Adjust temperature. Adjust tint. Adjust vibrance. Adjust saturation. Open My Tools. Adjust highlights. Adjust exposure. Adjust whites. Adjust blacks. Download preset in description. Please like me. Open effects. Adjust texture. Adjust vignette. Adjust midpoint. Adjust feather. Adjust highlights. Please subscribe my channel. Export image. Please like me.